the past few weeks, I've been receiving a lot of messages in my DM asking me that, Bright, I want to start blogging. I want to start. I want to have my own website. I want to have my own domain name. I don't know the web hosting company to buy. What company should I use? Which service should I use? Bright, what service do you use? What do you recommend for us? So I've actually decided to do a video on my YouTube channel to explain to you exactly the company I use and the company I will always recommend anytime, any day. And this is actually a Hostinger review. So this is Hostinger review in 2023. Is Hostinger really worth it? Is Hostinger really cheap? So what is in for us that is using Hostinger, or what web hosting platform should I use to buy my domain name or get my web hosting from? This is actually why I'm actually doing this review video today. If you actually check on my YouTube channel, I've actually done a review video about Hostinger before. I did Hostinger versus Bluehost. If you've not seen that video, I'm going to put the video around this area. And right now, if you can see on my laptop screen, you can see I'm actually on this particular Hostinger web page. So you can see like the home page on my laptop screen, actually the Hostinger web page. I say web hosting for your website, plus free domain SSL and DDoS protection with annual plans. So basically, if you don't know how I got here, I'm actually going to put the link in the description. So make sure you click on the link in the description. The link is going to take you exactly to this particular page. If you're going to land on this particular page, don't forget to click on the link in the description. And also, if you check on the comment section, you're going to see the pinned comments there. You're going to see that's great. That's actually my affiliate link. So if you click on it, it's going to take you here on this web hosting company. It's actually called Hostinger. Like I said, it's a review video. What is it? What's in there for us in Hostinger? You can see right now that Hostinger trusted by thousands, excellent. You see their star rating here, and also beyond the star rating is actually what I use to host my own website, brighthostinger.com. If you don't know my website, it's actually brighthostinger.com, whereby I show what I do. Actually, own the websites. You understand? I have other websites that actually used to write blog posts on, and they're all hosted with Hostinger. So you can see that Hostinger actually have it's very, very beginner friendly. For example, if you don't really have much budget to actually use to start owning your own, like getting your own website, you can actually use Hostinger. And if you use my code right now, if you use my link that is actually you're going to see on the description, you're going to get 80% discount. Yeah, you heard me right. You're going to get 80% discount if you use my link in the description. So basically, you can actually get it's very, very beginner friendly for $1.99. It's actually the friendliest or the beginner friendly web hosting company you can actually see around. You can see that if you use this particular plan, the premium web hosting, this one is a single web hosting, actually ideal for if you're a beginner, you don't really have much budget, but you want to start making money, writing blog posts, do affiliate marketing. You can actually use this particular plan. It's actually a good plan, and you can actually use this one if you are like you have a personal website that you really wants to be more premium. You can actually use this particular one. You can get a percentage of 75% discount if you use my link on the description. And also you can get this one, a premium business web hosting, which is actually optimized for like small business owners. You can get it for $3.99. You can see the features, which is very, 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 very nice. You can get with the $1.99, you can get one website, 50 gig SSD storage, which is actually nice. You can get 10,000 visitors monthly, and visitors mostly very, very awesome. You get an email account, 100 gig web bandwidth, very, very awesome for like a very, very like $1.99 web hosting. It's superb. A free SSL, Cloudflare. So now here in the $2.99 you get 100 websites. You get to host 100 websites. You get 100 gig SSD storage, 25,000 visits, free web and free email, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited database. And also, if you can see this on 100 websites to 200 gig, I mean this is so nice for a web hosting company to give you this top web hosting. And you can, if you're not actually using Hostinger, you can actually migrate to Hostinger for free. Is actually very easy, and they actually gives you free SSL as a beginner. So this is actually something you want to do for your business right now. You can actually use you can actually select this plan, any plan that you feel like goes well for you. You can actually use it, and start looking for something too nice. You can also do email hosting here. You can get email hosting for $0.99. You can get domain name too here for $0.99. You can get web hosting for as cheap as $1.99. For those who don't know what domain name and web hosting is all about, let me quickly explain what it's all about. A domain name is the name of a website. For example, let's say I want to give you a very, very perfect example of a domain name. The domain name is like Facebook.com. Facebook.com is actually a domain name. Google.com is actually a domain name. The name of your website is actually a domain name. But the cloud hosting is what helps you to keep all the file that you're going to be using on, or you're going to be saving on your domain name. This is actually what web hosting is all about. For example, if you are going to upload videos, upload articles, blog posts, images, you need a space in the web to actually help you to host this particular website or host this particular information you are putting to the cloud. This is what web hosting is all about. Your domain name is the name that you give to your website. For example, your name.com. Let's say your name is Franklin. Because Franklin.com is your domain name. Then you need a web hosting to like help you host Franklin.com. So that's what Hostinga is actually going to be doing for you. So you can get all of that from here. You can get the VPS hosting, cloud hosting. So you can see frequently asked question: what's the domain name? What's web hosting? Web hosting is the service that makes your website available on the internet. When you get web hosting, you rent space or a physical server to store your database or your files, anything on the internet. This is actually what web hosting is all about. And I believe that with what you've heard so far about Hostinga, you should be able to actually go and start using Hostinga. I'm actually recommending it for you because that's what I actually use on my own personal website. And one of the awesome things is that they actually offer a 30 days guarantee money back. So if you actually register on this particular platform and you don't like the web hosting service, you don't like the customer support, you can actually get your money back and they'll give you your money back. You get, so this is actually one super thing about Hostinga, and I must vouch for them. I can actually tell you that Hostinga has one of the best support when it comes to the internet service provider. They actually have one of the best support. That's actually one thing that System.io actually has as an email marketing platform. They have one of the best support, and there is no thing that you want to do on the internet that one thing you actually want to look for is because the company has a good support system. So I believe that this actually explains what web hosting, Hostinga, and which web hosting company should use in 2023. I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. So Facebook and YouTube, you're going to show this video to more people, and we are going to be able to grow on YouTube. I'm going to see you on my next video.